These Barina grow lights have been really perfect. I can't believe it. The best looking plants I've ever had. And there you can see my eggplants. They're just about ready to put blooms on. Hopefully it warms up outside. It's freezing out there now. But you can see all the eggplants are doing wonderful. Everything is. There's some cucumbers and squash and stuff I just started a couple days ago, and they're doing wonderful too. Basil, we've been enjoying basil for over a month now. They're just so beautiful and so good. These grow lights are just amazing. And here's my first sweet potato I've had. Looks like I'm going to have my own slips, as one did germinate. So I'm just waiting now. Should have a couple of them. Here's the peppers down here. Again, they're just doing wonderful. They're ready to put on some buds here. You can see a couple of them are getting ready to open up. I've never really had plants quite this nice under the lights. And I just wanted to do a quick update and let you see. Here's some sunflowers here. They've got to go outside soon, but the weather just isn't cooperating. And everything under lights is good. And then I did actually move some of these plants outside. These are the tomatoes. They came out from under the lights about a week ago, and they've been spending some time outside. Yesterday they took a beating. It went from like 70 degrees to 40 degrees with high winds. So I had to bring them inside today and let them kind of recover a little bit. But you can see the tomatoes are all there. They're doing really great. Got my seeds ready to go when it warms up. And these are my giant marigolds. They're doing good. The only tomatoes I'm having a little bit of trouble with are these couple of guys here. These are the Romas. For some reason, they didn't really do great. And here's some more of the marigolds, and they're starting to put some buds on there too, you can see. So I guess I did start a little bit early, but it's going to be a late season, it looks like. We've got really cold weather until the another 2 weeks of it, I guess. So I just wanted to do an update and show you how really good everything went this year with this new stand and these new Barina lights. And we did have lettuce. I harvested the lettuce a couple of weeks ago. We had some nice salads out of it, but the lettuce also really did good under the lights up in the house here. So I guess this is the way to go, and that's what it looked like, and it was really tasty and crunchy and really enjoyable. So just wanted to do an update, and hopefully the next one will be getting outside and working.